makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I'm super excited for this video because I'm going to be doing palette bingo, and it's going to be a collaboration with Makeup with Mariella. If you guys don't follow her or subscribe to her, she is super cool. She has like really similar tastes in makeup to me. Like, we are always buying the same things, or she reviews something and I'm like, I just bought that, or I review something and she's like, I just picked this up too, which I think is really funny. So if you guys like the kind of makeup that I review and talk about, I think you would really like her. And if you enjoy bomb tutorials, which why wouldn't you, she does the prettiest looks. She actually has a series right now which is called like the Birthstone series, and she's doing a look every single month based on obviously the birthstone gems, and they are so beautiful. Like, her look this month is like this beautiful aqua look, and it just literally blew me away. I was like, what did you use? I'm gonna need to buy that right now. But if you guys are not subscribed to her, you should definitely subscribe. I will leave her link in my description box. So we decided that we were going to do palette bingo. She said that she always wanted to do that with this particular palette, and we both happen to own it, and I thought it was a super cool idea. So here we are today. I'm super nervous. This is the Kat Von D Mi Vida Loca palette, which obviously is not available anymore. And for the way that I'm gonna do it is I'm just gonna start off with these two shadows here, which are the only ones that line up together, and I'm just gonna start with these as one. And I'm going to put the outside row in a random generator, and that's 17 shades, and I'm going to choose 3 shades. I'm going to do the generator 3 times, so there's 3 bright shades in the look, and then out of the 7 we're going to do 2 neutral shades, just to kind of, you know, maybe tame it down a little, maybe help along the way. You guys, I was so like nervous for this because I pick all my makeup out before I do every video. Like, I don't have, I have a crap ton of makeup in front of me, but I don't have all of my makeup because it's in my room, and I film like in this like little back area of my basement. It's a little creepy, a little crazy. There's like storage stuff everywhere around me. Like, there is nothing glamorous about this filming setup, but it works. So I had to pick out everything that I want in advance. So I literally have like 30 lipstick colors. I've got every single one of my liquid eyeshadows here because we did not say that this was against the rules. So if I need a liquid eyeshadow, I'm here for it. I have all of them. So if you're wondering the redness around my brows, I sat down to film this and I was like, now feels like a really great time to tweeze my eyebrows, which you should like never do before you do your makeup. Like, there was so much redness before I concealed, but I did conceal my eyes and use that concealer as primer, and then I set it down with just a little bit of translucent powder. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and do the neutral shades first. I'm just gonna go ahead and generate. I have 1 through 7. Okay, 5. We're gonna start off here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, we got the black, so we've got a nice deepening shade. Generate 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We also have a transition shade to work with here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 17 in for the colors. First we have 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 bright neon green. Okay, I'm here for it. Generate 14. It's yellow gold right here. Okay, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can definitely work with that. So the shades all together, this dark blue here, this lime green, this gold, this black, and this transition shade. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with the dark blue shade, and I'm gonna place that into my crease. Oh my gosh, you guys, my camera stopped recording, so hopefully you saw what I did, but I just built that blue up just a little bit in the crease, and I'm just kind of taking that really softly and just blending upwards. So just to go along that edge really quick and just blend a little bit, I'm just going to take this dual fiber brush because I don't want to use a ton of product, and I'm just going to go into that transition shade, tap off the excess. I'm just gonna go back in with the blue again. I just like to go back and forth between the brushes and really blend as good as I can. Jeez, I don't know why I can't speak today. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of a flat brush, and I'm gonna take that blue shade again, and I'm just going to pack it on the outer corner and inner corner. And then just blending again. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and take the black shade. I'm just going to use like a tiny little blending brush. And again, I'm just going to put this onto the inner and outer corner. I'm going to go back into the previous brush and just blend that out again. So next I think I'm going to go ahead and attempt a cut crease, or at least try and do the middle. We'll see how it goes. It always ends up surprising me. It's okay. So I'm not sure how I feel about that right now. It's a little crazy. But I'm just going to go ahead and take the green shade and just set that concealer. It looks crazy, but I believe that we can fix this. I'm going to go ahead and kind of slowly build up that blue and black again. Just going to keep going back and forth between these colors until I'm happy. Dang it, y'all. My camera stopped recording again. You ever get like so into an eyeshadow look that you literally just forget to pay attention to everything else? At this point, I think I'm just going to go ahead and draw a quick line on my lash line, but no wing or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly do my foundation, concealer, powder, and bronzer off camera, and I'll be back to like finish up my face from there. Okay, so starting off on the lower lash line, I really want to use this little Suva Beauty Hydra Cream base. This is the shade Social. I wish I had used this before I put the neon green down, because then it would have been like super intense. I have not used this since basically the day that I got it. It was like a freebie with a palette or something like that, so I don't know, I just have never reached for it, but it was, I believe it was pigmented. So I'm just gonna go in with like a little flat eyeliner brush, and I'm just gonna put this along my entire lower lash line. Actually, I might even put it in my waterline. Let's see, does it work? Ooh, it does. Okay, doesn't look like it's transferring onto my contact or anything. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys right now. My vision is completely hazy. Don't think I would recommend putting that in the waterline. I literally can't see right now. But I don't think that was made for the waterline. You live and you learn. I'm just gonna go in with a tiny little like eyeliner brush, and I'm just gonna kind of fill in the sides and go in with the darker shades. I guess I'll go in with the dark blue first. Just kind of bring that down along inner and outer. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of black. And then last but not least, I'm just gonna take that same brush and take that really bright green eyeshadow shade that we use on the top, and I'm just gonna put that along the lower part just to set the cream eyeliner. I think I'm gonna go in with a touch more of that green shade on the upper lid. I just want it to be like super intense. I think I'm gonna bring this like darker color like kind of along this as well, just kind of connect it. I have one shade left, and I figured I would use this kind of as like a highlight shade on the inner corner, that really pretty light yellow gold type shade. Pretty light. Let me use a different brush. So just because I have it here, I'm going to take the Stila Glitter and Glow in Gold Goddess, I believe. Yep. And I'm just going to tap that on the center. So that is a finished eyeshadow look. It was actually pretty difficult trying to put that all together. I'm so used to just getting ready to film and like knowing exactly what I want to do on the, like, I'm never like put on the spot like this. But I feel like, I mean, it's pretty. It's definitely not the worst look ever. Let's just go ahead and finish off the face real quick. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. blush in Sweet Retreat. Oh no, I went way too much. Gosh, what was I thinking? Okay. That is okay. We can fix this real quick. Just gonna go in with my face powder brush. and just blend that right out. So for highlighter, I'm going to go in with my beloved Amrezy highlighter. I don't know why I said Amrezy Rider. And then I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my cheekbones with that. I'm going to go into Kat Von D Ludwig for lipstick. And then real quick, just to finish everything off, I'm going to throw on my Ciate London Triple Shot Mascara. I'm also just going to throw on the Chloe Morello Lip Glaze with Pixi. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this collab. I have not done a collab in forever. Definitely don't forget to check out Makeup with Mariella. I will leave her channel link in the description box and her video as well, so you guys can go watch that and see what look she creates. I'm super excited to watch it. And that is everything. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.